So my name's Ed Wood-Faherty. I'm a project manager. I work for Greater Manchester Combined Authority, the GMCA, and my team is GM Digital. So the project I'm working on is the common data model, which is essentially around looking at the statutory returns that need to be produced by local authorities. The problem we're trying to solve is around improving the way that local authorities produce the statutory returns required for children's services. So we've identified about 15 different statutory returns, and we decided to focus on the section 903 and children in need centres. So that essentially looks at children that are looked after by local authorities. So each statutory return costs upwards of £50,000 to produce, and it takes around 3 months for that council to analyse the results and then send that to the DFE, for example. So really the project is around understanding where the pain points are, what the difficulties are in producing those returns, and how we can scale that out across Greater Manchester and, with any luck, the rest of the country. So other councils can learn a huge amount from this project. I think being part of the Greater Manchester Combined Authority gives us the opportunity to work really closely with partners across Greater Manchester. So for this particular bid, we're working with Wigan Council, Stockport Council, Manchester City Council. Those three authorities really are at different stages in their journey towards improving the way that they collect statutory returns. So what we'd like to see is, once we've established a common data model for Greater Manchester, we'd like to work with other local authorities. Each local authority across the council has to produce a similar return, or a similar statutory return to everyone else. So we think that once we have a model that's been agreed and worked through, we'd love to share this with other local authorities.